Hello, hello, guys. I just wanted to do a quickie today. Let me put some music in this. There you go. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome to another day, another stream.
Man, drop that shit for these fuck niggas.
Welcome to another day of Potato League. Oh, wow. Wow, that kid is good. How did he get to that so quick? How's everybody doing today? How are you guys doing out there? Ooh. Nice one. Qué bueno, Ricón. Muy bien. But yeah, we have the ALGS these days to watch. I don't know if you guys are interested in ALGS. It's like the Apex Competitors League. I tried to play Apex today, but they were having server issues. I even tweeted about it because I don't know. I was really in the mood to play Apex, but for some reason the servers were giving error codes and stuff. It's so weird. Anyways, now I'm in Rocket League. Wait, why is the music so loud? Damn. Let me turn this down a little bit. Like that. Is that better? Oh. Oh! Bumping. What a play. Could you guys even hear me? So, let me repeat what I said. I tried to play Apex today. Originally, I wanted to stream Apex, but there were some server issues. I'm not really sure what's going on. I checked on Twitter, but I couldn't find anything. I tweeted about it to let others know that I'm having server issues. And I actually thought it was just the Ohio servers that have issues, but apparently I tried some other servers. I got the same problem. I think it has to do with the game mods. The game mods are causing errors. They're probably gonna disable some of them, like Gun Run at Fragment. That's exactly the game I was trying to get into, and I got the server error. I'm not sure if it was a server error. Hey, Space Cowboy. You're always here. That's awesome. Thank you for joining me. Muchas gracias. My bunny. Is my music too loud? Can you hear me? The music is kind of loud. Let me see. It's good? Okay. Alright. Alright. Thank you very much. What about my mic? Is it working okay? I got a new mic, by the way. Too bad my camera's not working today again. My camera is just... I don't know. My camera is such a drama queen. It only works when it wants to. I don't get it. It's having its period today. Ew, why would I mention that? Anyways. Sounds good. That's good. That's good to know. Awesome. Oh no, Ricong! I'm not in the game voice chat. Not today. Oh. Ay, no. Nice. Muy bien. ¿Ya? Uy. No problemo. Nessun problema. Oh! Haha, that guy missed it. Oh shit, I missed it too. Oh no, there's nobody there. Come on, guys. Nobody home. Too bad. All good there. We're 3 golds up thanks to you guys. No thanks to me. What's my score? Yeah, I got the lowest score. What? Yo. I knew he was gonna get to that. Oh, come on. I almost bumped you. Potato. Hey! Rico. ¿Qué tú estás haciendo? Oh, what a save. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. That was close. What a play. Let's go, baby. Nice. Chi-chi. The epic bmDUB. So we're only getting dubs today. We're gonna do our best. My talk is relaxing. It sounds good. Oh, that's great. I got somewhat of a professional mic, kinda. I just hope the music is not too loud. Just a little kitsy ASMR. Yeah, it's perfect for ASMR actually. It's an ASMR mic. I should do some streams with ASMR. Maybe like eating some stuff and let you guys guess what I'm eating. That would be great. That would be great actually. Oh, I know. So I guess I cannot be screaming into this mic. It's gonna sound really bad. Oh! Oh man. I just said I shouldn't be screaming and I did. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that. And I'm not sure if I'm holding my mouth too close to the mic or too far. Because I'm afraid if I hold my face too far from the mic that you guys cannot hear me. But yeah, I'm figuring this out. This is a new mic. I still don't know how to work with it. I tried to adjust it and set it up correctly. But oh shoot. My bad. Oops. Whoopsie. Nah, it's balanced. Your voice and music? Okay, that sounds good. Thanks for the feedback. I need that. Oh, I'm sorry. I took your boosts. Take a shot! Righteous! Darling! Ay, no, darling! Darling! Ooh. Nice demo, bro. Come on. I know! Nice pass. Muy bien paseo, pero no estaba ahí. My bad. Oops. Oh, 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 oh. No! This guy's a smurf. Seems like it. Oi. Hola! I know! My bad. Okay, okay, I'm gonna focus now. It's time to focus. Full focus. Ooh, it's better be. We gotta get this dub with the bmDUB. The epic dub. Scream! The game is the game. It's okay. Nice. How do you know about that? Wow, you know more than I thought. Oh yeah, you went to film school, right? No wonder. It's good. Of course you know some stuff. I had to learn these things through streaming. Because I had no idea about a lot of these things. I had no idea how this shit works, you know? I found out little by little. Oh, great pass, but he's going for it. Oh! Oh, it was you. Great pass. Great pass, righteous. Ooh, that was so close. I accidentally demoed that kid. Oh, wow. I didn't think he would get to that. What? This guy. So toxic. This kid is so toxic. Oh no! Faking! Let me get that boost. Wow, this kid is hella toxic. Hella bella toxic beast. Wait, isn't that a streamer? Yeah, I think so. Whoa! That was so close. Man, I can't wait to hear what my mic sounds like. Oh my gosh, bro. Faking! Oh, that's coming in. Oh man, I knew it! It's the Smurf! This kid is a Smurf. It's always the Smurf that's carrying. Look at that. GTFO kid. Ooh, I want to send my own emoji in here. Emotes. Come on, come on. Damn it, these kids are toxic. Let's see, sheesh. No way this kid got to that. Whoopsie! Oh! Wow, what a save. What a save by his teammate. No! How did that get there? Oh. Ay, ay, ay. We're not winning this one. This kid's it's a fudging Smurf. Yo, it's Yeet time. What's good? Hello, hello. I'm so happy you're tuning into my streams now. I didn't even announce that I'm streaming today. How did you know? Ooh. What are you saying? Oh, you gotta go. Thanks for dropping by though. I appreciate it. Love ya. No, no way. Oh, that was so close. You don't have much time? Why? You're supposed to be in bed, huh? Yeah. Well, anyways, I'm happy you dropped by. Go do your thing. The quality improved. It sounds loud and clear. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. That's the point in getting new equipment, you know? To make it better. Try to make the stream better. Better and better. We're going up from here. I got it, I got it. Lo tengo, lo tengo. Oh yeah. Rico. Uy, qué cerca. Oh, I'm not gonna get that. Oh, that guy scared me. Oh no! Of course they're gonna be there. Bro! I need a boost. Estoy defendiendo aquí. Buen paseo. Get that, get that, get that. Oh. I'm trying to control my car. Oh no. No! Go, 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 go! Oh no. That kid's a smurf. Oh no, both of them seem like smurf. Oof, I almost got him. I was trying to demo him. Go in! Oh, oh well. That was close. That was pretty nutty. Oh, nice pass. Oh man, this kid just fudged it up. Yo, Batman, move. Move your butt. Oh, oh no. I'm not there. Oh no. Nice. He's smart. Can he just beat it? Not like that, but you know. Yo. Smart boy. I need boosts. Oh, he got the boost. Let's go, baby. What a play. Nice one. Qué buena jugada. Muy bien. Buen disparo. Oh no. I need boost. I'm going for the boost in the back. Coming back now. I'm trying to get to that ball or not. No way. I knew he was there. No way. Oh, come on. This kid is so toxic. Oh no! Oof, that was so close. Besito. Uy, ¿qué es eso? Ay, no. Yeah, what did you expect from a Smurf? Bro, look at the score of their teammate. Like, these kids are totally carrying. How did both of them get into the game? Usually you get one Smurf and the other one suck. But in this one we got two Smurfs and one suck. And one friendly helper. Dude, how did I not demo this kid? Oh no, it's the number one Smurf. Smurf number one! Damn it. Can't believe I missed that. Baking! Oh no no! Oi oi! Ay ay! Whee! I want to learn how to do that. Like, I see him do these things. Like, I don't even know what they're called. Yeah. He hit that from the front and send that shit to the back. Oh, these Smurfs try so hard. What a play. Oi, I got it, I think. Yes, I got it. I got it, I got it. Oh, no, no, no. What a play! Let's go, baby! Take that, you Smurfs. Let's fucking go. Eso. Muy bien, Rico. Qué bueno. And this is why you're the Pog champ. Poggers. You're the Pog champ. That's why you're the MVP. You're the best. Look at that. Look at your score. Carry me. Carry me, puppy. Maybe. Let's see. Let's send an emote. Wait, why is it locked? Oh. Oh, so there's no free emotes in here? Wait, how? Oh, you unlocked emotes. Oh. Is this the same team? Oh no, it's not. No. I see a Mexican hat. Es tu paisano. Uy! Uy! Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. That's on me. Yeah, let's go, baby. Why did Cydion not go to the award show? I don't get that. All these streamers know each other, right? They should. I mean, I even know Bad Girl Shay, and she went to the award show. That was beautiful. I'm so proud of her that she went. Wonderful. She made history. Oh no, you don't. She went to the second annual Twitch Awards. Damn it, I missed that. Yeah. You're always there by my side, my bunny. Let's go, baby. My bunny! Oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. That was bad on my part. Man, what is this kid doing? Demo you, bro. Sorry. I was too busy trying to demo this kid. I wasn't paying attention. Wow! Wow! Can I give myself a sound alert or something? Let's see. I'm gonna try. Can I? No, I can, but I gotta pay for it. That's so weird. Oh, good. So I gotta pay for my own biddies to send to my own channel? What is this? It shouldn't be that way. So every time— oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Whoopsie. So every time someone gifts a sub from their own channel, do they have to pay for that? That's like a legit question of mine. I need to find that out or ask some other streamers. Always trying to support me. Thank you, Bunny. That's my bunny. That's my bunny. Pog. Pog champ. We should play ranked, Bunny. We gotta get better though. We gotta do some drills together and stuff like that. And then we can do some ranked. And try to become like grand champs and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure we can do it. Oh wait, not like this, I'm not. I'm playing Potato League. Damn it, bro, I needed that boost. Fucking shit. I'm in the back. I don't have it. This kid's got it. Ooh. I'm sorry, Bunny. Fog. I need this. Whoa! That kid was flying around. He went bullish. Oh! Fudge! Oh! Nice! What a play. Hoggers, man. This is why you're the best. My bunny! My bunny's the best. Pog champ, let's go, baby. Oi! Oops. Whoopsie. Damn it. Ah, I should have been more in the front. Oh, that was so close, Bunny. Oh, what a save. What a save. That was an epic save. Not really. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, you guys. I should have had that. That should have been the winning goal right there. Damn it. Besito. Toma. Oh, so close. I got it. Yo, man. Go for it. Oh, damn. ¡Oye! Rico, ¿qué tú estás haciendo? No estás poniendo atención. Ay, no. I'm sorry. Okay, I should stop double committing. Whoopsie! look at me just watching the ball go over my head. That's a bad play on my part. No, how does this kid get to that? Get it, get it! Let it go! My bunny! Bunny! Oh no! I almost touched it up. I know. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna get my head in the game now. Let's go. Let's go, baby. He's trying to demo this kid. Ooh, that was so close. Great shot on that guy. I'm going to the back of the net. I'm defending. Don't get there. Oh man. I'm missing so much. I'm missing a lot of balls. I'm missing a lot of balls. Go, bunny. Go, bunny. Go, go. Go, bunny. Go, go. Oh. Ooh, go, bunny. Go, bunny. Let's go, bunny. No, that was a great pass. What a save by this kid. Oh, is that gonna be a goal? No. Oh, too bad he got to that. Oh, it is toxic. Kind of demo me. I'm sorry. That was not a nice one. You got this, bunny. Close, close, close. Muy cerca. No. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, bunny. I'm sorry. No way, man. Good thing that kid was there. Okay, I'm defending again. Take the shot. Go TNT. Oh! Ooh! Let's go, baby. That was the best decision I made for this game. So you guys could push forward and make the winning goal. Let's go, baby. What a play. With the dub. Let's go, baby. bmDUB. Let's go, baby. You know it. All right. Lista. Oh, look at this. Your score. You scored 6 shots on goals. Damn. That's so good. Pog. I need to make a Pog emote. I don't have one. The red team got wrecked. Sorry if I missed something in game. I'm just watching my bunny stream. Nah, you shouldn't watch. It's all good. You should concentrate on the game. Thank you. Thank you for being in chat, though. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love my bunny. Okay, bunny, focus. Ooh, close. Oh wow, I can't believe I missed that. yuck. What a play. Ooh. Get in! Get in, loser! Let's go, baby. Whee! Yeah! Let's go, baby. Yeah. Olvídalo. Who do I know? Whoa, that was good. That was close. What a save, guys. Oh, 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 oh. Go! Oh, too bad he got to that. Oh, that's going in. Oh, nice. What a save. Whoopsie. Get that. Oi, what? Damn. Wow, that was so close. Oh, bro, I need boost. Oi, oi, oi. Get in, loser! Oh, that was so close. Damn. Oh, this music goes hard. I love it. I'm loving it. Go, baby. It's pumping me up. The vibe. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yo, don't miss, Lua. What am I doing? Oh, I'm so sorry. I think you should have gotten it. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have committed to that. Yeah! That was close. Close, close, close. Muy cerca. Wow, what the hell is this kid doing? Oh, I can't believe I missed it. Faking! Guilty! Ooh, let's go, baby! Ha! This is why you're the pog champ. Poggers. Yeah! Oye, Bunny. ¿Qué te está haciendo, Bunny? ¿Por qué no quieres jugar más? Or was that not you? Are you the one FFing? Are you forfeiting? It better not be you, Bunny. You better not be forfeiting. Ooh. Oh, that was so close. Damn, man, I couldn't get to that on time. Oh. Yeah! I couldn't get to that. Wow! What a play. Who lost connection? Oh, it's not on our team. Okay. What is this kid doing? That kid just watched the ball go into the goal. I wouldn't be surprised if the bot was the one who scored. No, it's not the bot. I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. You don't know what means. What do you mean, Puck Champ? That means play of the game. You make plays. Like the MVP of every game. You're the Puck Champ. You make the plays. Ooh. What is this kid doing? Hi. Ouch, bot. This bot just hit me. This bot just blocked me. Domestic abuse. Okay, now this kid bumped me. That was fine! Let's go, baby. Getting dubs with the epic bmDUB. Nah, you are the pog, for real. You are the pog, not me. You're so good. I'm nothing without you on my team. I'm checking out my music volume. Okay, we good, we good, we good. Oh, I almost missed that. I miss Apex. Whoa, this kid actually got to that. Oh. He's got the Volkswagen. It looks so cute and small. Is that what the little guys with the little PP stripe? It looks like it. It's a little PP card. It's pretty cute. It's like driving a, what's it called? A hybrid car. The Toyota hybrid car. The one that people make fun of. It's definitely not a Tesla. Definitely not. Some of the Teslas are hella ugly. Oh wow, I can't believe I missed that. Sheesh. Oh no. Oh. Woo. That was so close, bro. Damn. I went as fast as I could just so I could get to that. Me no pog, you pog. Me no pog. Oh no, I passed it right to him. No! How did this kid get to that? Yo. Oh no, I'm sorry, I wasn't there. I was with my back to it. Oh, 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 oh. Damn it, that was so close. They were all three coming there. They were kind of triple committing. Damn, bro. I almost auto-goaled that. Oi, guys! What is Mr. Lil Pee doing? Oh, yo. No, you don't. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Shit. What? This kid is hella toxic. Okay. I'm not playing no games anymore. I'm not playing no games anymore. Gator don't play no games. Do you guys see that movie? It's so funny. Get it or play the game. Alright, that was a great pass. Too bad I wasn't there. Oh, damn. This kid is getting to every ball. Shit! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry! Oh, what a play! I'm so sorry, that was my bad. And see, and this is why you are the pog champ, not me. Because I make these stupid mistakes. Darn it. Are you there, friend? You got it? You got it, bunny? Oh, what a play, baby. Pog champ, let's go. Yeah, that save was good, but look at that. Look at your shot. You're so much better. You're the diamond player. Ooh, oopsie. No, you're not getting this, kid. Ah, yeah. Sheesh. Yeah. Oh, I don't have it. Oh, I can't get it. Hit it. Dale. Dale más duro. Más duro que esto. Ay, pero bueno. Ay, ¿qué es eso? Oh, no. Ay, ay, ay. So toxic. So toxicity. Yeah. I knew I wasn't gonna get to that first. I have no boost. Ooh, that was so close. Epic save, bunny. I'm defending. No, 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 kid. Why would you do it? Hit it, hit it, hit it! Oh! Oh, 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 oh. Oh no, bro. Damn it. Yeah, boss? Of course he would leave. He messed this game up. He messed the whole game up. No, I lie. I made some mistakes in this game, so I put it all on me. Even though I don't have the lowest score. All good. It was 3v2. I know, right? No worries. On to the next one. Yeah. Okay, okay. I'm gonna focus. Let's focus. Yow. Nope. Bro, this kid is toxic. Look at him trying to demo me. You can't do it, kid. Don't try. It's tsunami. Okay, I got you. I'm coming for your egg. Alright, tsunami. It's on. It's on like Donkey Kong. Yo! Ooh, I almost got this kid. Oh, I got him. Time to get tsunami. Oh, so close. Oh no, oh no. Where's tsunami? What are you doing? Why are they so toxic, bro? These kids are hella toxic. Demolition mode on. Guys, guys, guys. Oh my god, demolition mode on. Fucking shit, bro. What a say. Oh, too bad. Too bad that didn't go in. What a save! Let's fucking go. I wish I could tell them, but I don't want to be toxic directly to them. I could be toxic behind their back. Bumping, motherfuckers. Y'all are so trash. Trying to bump people, but you can't play? Like, get the fuck out of here, kids. Y'all are so trash. Bro, hit that. Come on, hit that kid. Is this another 3v2? I don't want to be mean, kid, but do something. Yeah! Oh, that was so close. What a save. Nice one, bro. Oh no, is that going in? Sheesh. Oh, good. It's all good, baby, baby. Tsunami is still trying to demo me. You're bad. It's all good. Nah, it happens. It's okay. We got this. Woohoo! Got it. Come on, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yo. Yo, Tsunami, can you fuck off, kid? Just fuck off. Please, you're starting to work on my nerves. Fuck you up, man. Fuck you up. Please don't. Wait! Hit it, hit it! Dale! Motherfucker! Get wrecked! Nice, 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 very nice. Leaving. Oh, yo. No, bro. I can't believe I missed that. Woo! Damn it, these kids are hella toxic, bro. Fucking idiots, bro. Fucking idiots. I can't help but be profane right now. Thanks for the pass, kid. Someone stay back? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Fudge. Yeah! Yeah! Oh gosh, no bro, no! This kid actually passed it to him. Oh, that was so close. Can we win this game already? Is it not over? Fucking shit. Nice! Close one. That was close. Oof. Oh, come on, man. I missed him, but he got me. Was it Tsunami? No, it wasn't. These kids are so bad. These kids are trash. You kids are trash. If you see this, you kids are fucking trash. No, 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 you're gonna make us lose. Don't be doing that. What a play. You kids are trash. Eat it. Kiss it. Pog. Let's go, baby. We're better. Nah, fuga. See. Oh, Jackie. Fucking toxic. I can't stand people like that. I'm a bad diamond. You know I have horrible mistakes. Nah, you're good. You're better than me. I make way more mistakes than you. You're good. Besito. Bueno, besito en el juego, sí. ¿Quieres un besito en el juego? Vamos. Vamos por la siguiente. Man, I love this bmDUB. It looks so good. Look at that smooth shit right there. And with this music, so romantic. Let's go, baby. I lowered my graphics so my game could play better. Better FPS. Better frames per second. ¡Lista! ¿Estás listo? Oh no. ¿Qué estás diciendo, Oh, fuiste al baño. Perdón, lo siento. Oye. Oh no, besito. Whoopsie. What am I doing? Dale. Oh no, I didn't get the boost. Fudge. Totally missed that boost. What a play. Yeah, close one. Hey, besito. Ahí viene tu besito. Ay, no. Uy, muy cerca. Yo, what? No. Oof, nice. I need boost. ¿Dónde está el boost? There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, what a great pass, man. Too bad we weren't there. Wow. Damn. Damn it! I went in too hard. Come in hot. Damn, bro. Nice, what a save. What a save. Great pass by the other team. Such a great pass. Let's make it cozy up in here. My cam isn't working anyway. I have these lights so bright on me. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I messed that up. Ooh, close. Damn it, kid! What the hell? Wow. Wow! Okay, I don't know. I don't like this. What? Yeah, I was faking. Damn it. Boy, yo. Let's go, boys. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. Magnificent pass by our teammate. Wow. I didn't think I would get that. Oof. Damn, what? I tried to demo him and he got me instead? What? That's some crazy shit right there. Get out of here. Yeah! Oh, too bad he got to that. Oh, coming on too hot. Get that, Dougie. What a play. Let's go, baby. That took a lot of patience, but we finally got it. We got it. That was a great pass. Very nice. That was fun. You guys let them leave. bmDUB with the dub. Yup, a lot has happened. That was fun. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Un besito muy duro. Toma. Un besito muy duro. Yeah! Oh. Okay. Oh no, they're grabbing everything. Let's go, baby. Let's pass. Ouch, your kiss is hurt. Sí. Muy duro, ¿no? Mis besos son muy duros. Muy fuertes. Besotes. Muy fuerte. Should probably not triple commit. Stay back here. What are these kids seeing? Yeesh. Wow. He dribbled two of us. Oh, he's got the Ford F-150. That was close. Right popped. Oh yeah. Muy bien, Rico. Wow. With the F-150. No way. Wow, that's so close. That was so close. You know where I be. I think this music is way too loud now. I'm not sure. Give up. Bothers me. I don't bother with these hoes. What's wrong with it? Ooh. I got the money and go. The shit has like other souls. Ooh. I'm like, okay. Ay, besote. Shit. Oh, that was so close. How did it not demo that kid? What? Oh no, I was faking. Sorry, F-150. Oh no! Damn it. Sorry, I was too busy demoing the other kid. I broke him into little pieces. He had a big car, but he turned into smaller pieces. Oh. Wow. Wow. Man, that's crazy. That is so crazy. What's going on here? They're not even three. They're like two people on the same team. The other friendly helper is also very good then. Yo, what? Oh my gosh. Why am I faking this much? Oh, that's crazy. No way. Damn it. Come on, guys. Come on, boys, chicos. Vamos, chicos. Oof. That was so close. What a save by that kid. Wow. I told you you're the Pog champ. Pog. I should really make a Pog emotes. Pog champ right here. Naya! I'm sorry, kid. I'm sorry. Shit! Oh, that was so close. My reaction time was too slow for that. Damn it. Wow. No way. Shit. That was a bad touch, but at least I did a touch on it. I got a touch on the ball. Oh, wow. That's so close. No. I'm sorry. What a play! That was fun. That was fun! Let's go, baby. A lot of dubs. A lot of wins today. Oh, I'm ready. Pog with a cowboy hat. Yup. A space cowboy. I feel my computer heating up a little bit. Feels like it's getting very, very hot. I even lowered my graphics. How is it getting this hot? Yo. Join. Join it. No. Smurf. I knew it. Smurf, Smurf, Smurf alert. Smurf alert. Oh man, I want to leave. I know you can't win them all, but you know. Okay, let's try. Let's not just quit. Let's not give up. Let's just try. This is good training. Good practice. Oof. Damn. Those are some hard shots. Whee! Let's go, baby. Great shot by our teammate. That was nice. Good picks. He looks like a Smurf too. Oh no! Champion intensity, but yeah. We got this, it's all good. It happens. I think I grabbed your boost, I'm sorry. No way, man. No way. Smurf, I told you guys. Smurf, Smurf alert. Look, he scored 3 goals, like GTFO. He's a Smurf. We need to figure out a new strat here. Either we need to demo this kid or we gotta play it way more aggressive. Sheesh. Ah, casi besaste. ¿Ves? Ay. Of course. Like, damn it, this one, the other one comes in. Finally! Guys, you should have known this before. These kids are Smurfs. At least one of them. Like, come on. So, this guy is deaf a Smurf. This is so stupid. I hate seeing that. I'm gonna just do this. XP farming. Get the fuck out of here, kid. You're not welcome here. You can't sit with us. Have you seen that movie, Mean Girls? I love that movie. It's the best movie all time. My favorite movie all time. I wouldn't say it's the best movie, but I would say it's my favorite movie. Mean Girls. Go fetch. You like Mean Girls? I like Mean Girls too. I love it. It's my favorite movie. Oh, we got a bot on our team. Oi! And Ooh, where's Prada? Oh yeah. I love that one too. Nice, you like that? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Baking! That was so bad. Look at what I did. Look. I just swirled in the air right there instead of going up. Yo! ¿Qué estás haciendo, Ricón? ¡Ay! Uy, muy cerca. Oye. What? Oh, this guy's a team too. Nice. Come on. Oh. Yeah! Damn it. I needed more boosts. I can get to it completely. Cheese snacks. Get out of here. Oh, come on. This kid gets to every fucking ball. Oh my gosh, bro. I wanted to demo him. I completely missed. My bad. Baking. I twirled again. Another stupid mistake. You see that? You love Stanley Tucci? I need to watch it? I don't know that one. Interesting. I do need to watch that. Whoa, yo, look at that shit. Yeah! Let's go, baby. Pog! Pog champ. Told you. You're the Pog champ. No way, man. How did I miss that? Yo, kid. Please. Stop with the bumping. This ain't bumper cars. Unless you want to play bumper cars. Thought you wanted to play bumper cars, kid. Yo. What? Get the fuck out of here. Okay, kid. I'm gonna get real toxic on your ass. There's no way. No, no. Okay, okay. It's time to get our shit together for real. Get the fuck out of here. That shit makes me rage. Time to fuck you up. Shit's getting real now. Look at that. Get the fuck out of here, kid. Shit's getting real. No. No. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm ready to destroy these kids. No. Want some bow. Give me boost so I can fuck them up. Yeah! What a play. Great pass. Beautiful. Boom. Hit it hard. Fastball. Right in the net. Let's go, baby. We need two more. Fuck off. Of course he would get to that. Get out of my way, kid. Oh, I need boosts. Yeah, me too. I need boosts. Oh no, there's no boost. We are so screwed. Yo. Hit it. Dale. This kid, man. These kids are so petty. Come on. Get back to me, ball. Get back to me. Bro. How did he miss that? Fucking shit, man. That should have been a goal. How did he miss that? He came in too hot, I think. Coming in hot. It's an active replace Nigel and Devil Wears Prada. Ah, okay. That's pretty cool. That's the bald guy, right? Mr. Potato Head? I call him Mr. Potato Head. Yo! Man. Too bad I can demo this kid more often. That was fun! Let's do it again! Is Nigel the Mr. Potato Head in Devil Wears Prada? Ah. Very nice. Of course they would leave. Gatitos. Son pollos. Unos pollos. Bueno, vamos por otra. Pollitos. Los pollitos corren. Corren muy duro. They want to escape from us. Gonna get that. Yeah? Whoopsie! Get get that. Oh, yo. What a play. Let's go, baby. Oh, they're not a team. That's why. Sorry, noobs. Oh, I thought that's the kid that was on a team. Yeah, he misses a lot. I don't want to be mean, kid, but you missed a lot. I mean, I'm gonna speak for myself, too. I missed a lot, too, but you're supposed to carry me. A queen should be carried. You didn't do your job. Ay, déjalo, ¿no? Porcón. ¿Por qué no dejaste eso? Ese balón. No way. I can't believe I missed that, and he did too. He didn't bop that in. Can't believe he didn't bop that in. No, man. If he didn't touch that ball, I would have gone in. My bad. No! Damn it, man. My reaction time is pretty slow. This kid is so petty. He grabbed all the fucking boosts. Fucking petty kid. Look at him. He's going for all the boosts again. Fucking petty. Get the fuck out of here, kid. You're so petty. I have to destroy you. Fudge! Oh no! I was just gonna talk shit about this kid, like he misses a lot, but then I missed. So it's a good thing I stay quiet. So bad. No, I thought he was gonna get to that. Yo. Qué bueno. What a save. Oh, yo. He dribbled that shit past us. Let's go, baby. No. No. Get it, bunny? Bunny? No, bunny! Bunny! Kid, what are you doing? I'm in the goal, bunny. Okay. What a play. Let's go, baby. Beautiful. Qué buen jugar. I didn't know you liked Mean Girls that much. I do. I make reference to Mean Girls every day. I just adore that movie. It's so good. And it's so funny. Nice! Let's go, baby. You're just the best. Nice pass, gracias. Buen disparo. Oh no, you made the guy leave. Oh. We made him leave. No. Hey, you better get that. Really, kid? You don't get to the balls that you need to get to. It's fucking shite. The balls you do not need to get to, that's the ones you go for. What an opposite person. What is he saying? No problem. It's his fault. Whoopsie! Give me the boost. Whoa. Yeah. I almost missed that. Sheesh. No, bro. Hit it, hit it. Dale, dale. Dale. Ay, no. ¿Qué es eso, chicos? Chiquitos. I almost passed it soon. That was fun! Let's go, baby. Another dub. Only dubs tonight. No, not really, but you know. Let's feel the dubs. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best this time, so then we can play some ranked. I really want to play ranked. I haven't played in a long time. I want to see what rank I am. Probably have to get placements first. I don't know. I don't know how it works. Okay. This is how I start. Well then. It's a good thing they have a bot. Give me the boost, give me the boost. Whoa, what a play. That was so close. Whoa. Oh, let's go, baby. Pog champ at work. He's just doing his job. Carrying the queen. You still got a bot? What? Is it a bot? Is it a bot? Yeah, it is a bot. No, man. I'm sorry. You got it, bunny. Ooh, what a play. Let's go, baby. Beautiful, beautiful shot. Wow. That was nice. Quick reaction on this part. Beautiful. Wow. What a save. Damn. Oyo. I need boost, guys. Fudge. Gotta get to... Oh. Great pass. Damn it, he got for the boost. Ouch. Wow. Yo. What are you guys not doing there? I got it, I got it. Fudge. give me boost. Taking? Oh no. Wow, nice bump, kid. Nice bump. Not gonna work though. Wow, how did kids get through that? He predicted that shit. Wow. And they did it again. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do. Nice, Pog. Pog champ at work. Let's go, baby. Poggers. Oh no, guys. Why is nobody going for that? Oh, how did I not ban this kid? What? Bro, get off me. Oh no, that was my bad. I'm sorry. That was a great pass on my part. I'm so sorry. My bad. Whoopsie. What a save. Es una broma. Es una broma. Nada en serio. Good play. Viking. Let's go, Viking. Wow. Okay, Viking. Yeah. Hey, Light Turtle. Or should I call you Smurf? What's going on? Hey, Slicky, what's good? How are you guys doing today? You're not playing Rocket League today, Mr. Smurf Turtle? Where's your boyfriend, Mr. What's his name? Dr. Despacito? What you want? You want to 1v1 me again? No, I don't want to do that. What do you want? What do you want? Tell me first. I'm not gonna join you unless you tell me what you want. You have a champ banner? Well, your car screams out Smurf, so... I know you do. I know you have to grind for that. What do you mean I don't grind? You're right, I don't grind for that. I don't play ranked at all, actually. You have a T-White Octane? Mr. Smurf. I call you a Smurf, you know why? Because you play with your friends who are very much lower ranked. So you get into easy lobbies like ours. I'm not calling us easy, but it's just not fair. I mean, I do too, but... See? Slicky knows. He grinds too. I'm not spending money, not all the time. T-White stuff are overvalued? I don't know about that. If you guys agree, sure. I'm not sure what you guys mean with T-White. Anything cool in here? Oh, what is this? Ew. That looks kind of disgusting. Not sure if I like that. Nice. Dusty Donker. What? Oh, that's for Easter. Ooh, that looks kind of mean. I like that. Wait, is that another body? Pretty. Love. What? Back is not all the way. Titanium white paint with. Yeah, you guys should 1v1 each other, Slicky and Turtle. I would love to see that actually. That would be so entertaining. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I want this. This is perfect. That's what I want. That's beautiful. Nah, you don't suck. Don't say that. You're so good, Slicky. But like Turtle is totally smurfing, so don't believe anything he says. Is there a way to check like stats, people's stats on Epic? I would love to check your stats. Can't even spell it right. You are smurfing. You're not smurfing. That's true. You're smurfing. It's an alt account. Exactly. That's the definition of smurfing. When you're very high rank, but then you play with another account that's like really low so you could get into other lobbies. That's, you know, come on. That's exactly the definition of smurfing. That's your main account? Uh-huh. Sure, buddy. How do I check your stats? What website do I have to go to? Anybody know? I would love to check this man's stats. Anyways, Bunny. Ricón, estoy lista. Vamos. Vamos por la siguiente. No te preocupes por este cabrón. I think he understands Spanish too, maybe. No sé. Pero Dr. Despacito surely understands, I think. Hey, welcome, Dushi. Thanks for the follow. Let me see if I can spell your name. Let's see. What does it say? Wait, I didn't update yet. Oh, you followed and unfollowed. Real nice. Real nice, mate. Who does that? Oh, yeah. Follow. You're good, you're good. Wait, we got another champ in here. Wait, what? So you carried him? I'm sure you did. No, but like Turtle, he's pretty good. So I don't believe anybody carried him. He seems legit. Light is garbage? Nah. I mean, we played 1v1 a few days ago and he beat me, so... But then again, I was not feeling that game. So yeah. Yeah, I would love to see you guys 1v1. Oh my god, that would be so crazy. That would be epic, actually. Can you guys 1v1? Yeah, I'm gonna stream you guys. Let's do it. And I'll be the personal narrator. Rocket League tracker? Okay. Let's do it! 1v1, let's do it, guys! That's some entertaining shit right there. Let's fucking do it. You guys should invite Space Cowboy too. He needs to be there with me. He's my I was gonna say assistant, but no, he's more than that. He needs to be there. He's my partner in crime. So how do I join? Hold up. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay. Slicky, are you on too? Join so you can watch. Can more people join? Yeah, right? Or is it just 4 people? It's the capacity 4 people? Slicky, Icky, are you here? Yo, Andrew. You're the other D rider, huh? You also like to ride Mr. Turtle. Let's fucking do this. Let's go, baby. Are you guys ready? Good luck, have fun. Oh, look at that. Right off the bat. Turtle with the good kickoff. What are you doing? Okay, buddy. I don't want to take sides, but I'm leaning more towards Turtle right now because his kickoff was good. Oh, these guys are so funny. Turtle trying to score here. Oh, he's got it. I knew it. Let's go, Turtle. Easy goal. Is this gonna be an easy clap for Turtle? Let's see. Let's find out. Come on, Vango. You got this. Come on, Vango. Why are you stopping for? What happened? Controller died? Let's go, baby. Oh. With the aerial? Ooh. The musty flick? Is that the musty flick? I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, these guys got tricks. Look at this. Ooh. Let's go, baby. That was a great save. What a save. Oh, I thought little Turtle would score right there. Let's go, Vango. You got this. Is he gonna make a trick with the backflip? No. Denied. And here comes Turtle. Oh, denied. Let's go, baby. Vango, you need to get up there. You need to score against this guy. You need to prove him wrong. You need to prove that you're the better one. The better juicer. Oh, with the tricks. Let's go. Wow, that was beautiful. That was a gorgeous goal. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Beautiful shot. Can Turtle get a nice kickoff again? Let's see. Ooh, it's 50-50. It's leaning more towards Vango. Let's go. Oh, with the tricks, with the aerial. Denied by the wall, by the back wall. And here comes little Turtle. What? Oh, he tried it. Denied. I give you what? You guys are good with the aerials. Like, that's nice. I gotta practice that myself personally. Maybe y'all can give me some coaching, some lessons. Look at this. Ooh, musty flick. Almost. He almost got it off. Oh, is this going in? Almost. What a save. Oh, he tried to bump him, but it didn't work. Denied. He's going back now. Is he gonna get dribbled? Ooh, so close. Oh no! Turtle with a miss. Oof. That's rough. Oi, denied. But he got the ball back. No, denied again. Turtle is trying with the aerial. Denied. Wait, how do I add you? Wait. Oh, let's go. That was a beautiful, beautiful shot. Very nice. This is actually good. This is making me learn how to do these aerials. I like to watch this. You love to see it. Very nice, very nice. No. Almost. Can Turtle come back? Oh yeah. Seems like it's going. It's going in. Let's go, baby. This thing is neck and neck. 2-2. Who's gonna win this one? It seems neck and neck for me. I was leaning towards Turtle, but it's looking very neck-necking now, right now. Let's see at the kickoff. Ooh, Bango with a nice kickoff. Can Turtle save this? Nice. Denied. He really predicted where he was going. I would have thought he was going up top. I would have jumped the fuck up there and he would have passed that ball under me. Ooh, so close. It takes a lot of patience to dribble the ball. Woo! Oh my god, guys. Did you guys catch that? That was a crazy shot. The musty flick, right? Holy shit. I didn't think you could put it off. That's so good. You're out of your game now, Slicky? You need to catch this. These guys are doing some tricks and shit. Some aerials. It's beautiful. Oh, what? No way. I think that was a lucky shot by Turtle, but beautiful nonetheless. Beautiful shot right there. Is this why your name is Turtle? That was like a turtle goal, right? That's what they call those types of goals. Very nice. Who's got the kickoff? It's 50-50. Oh, but Bango pushed it to the other side. Can little Turtle recover this one? Oh! Oh, with a miss, but he recovered. Miraculously. Ah, he's coming in with the dribble. Can he do it? Close. Whee! Light Turtle decided not to go for that kickoff. He's gonna recover. He's gonna get the ball right now. Is he gonna do a fancy trick? Let's see. Let's find out. Bango is coming. He's backing up, back into the goal. Ooh! Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. You got scored on. Oh shit. I guess you had a lot of words, but nothing to show for it. Nah, but really, it was neck and neck. Great game, guys. That was nice. Very entertaining. Very cool. Who's up next? Or do you guys want to go 2 for 2? I'm ready. Are you? You were making it interesting. You could have won. Well, then prove it. Let's go in again. Let's go again. Let's do it. So when's this shit gonna start? Okay, there we go. Are we ready, boys? Let's go. Who's gonna get the kickoff this time? This is the rematch. Let's go. Oh, and Vango with the easy goal. Easy clap. Nah, we'll see, we'll see. Turtle won the last game, so he can easily come back. Let's see. Bot. Why would you call him that? Did you really carry him? I don't believe you. Oh, so close, yet so far. He could not get to that. Powerful shot by Vango. I'm sorry, I should click to get ready, huh? Ooh. Great kickoff by Vango. The turtle recovers. Can he send it to the other side? Yes, he can. Let's make a beautiful trick shot. Ooh, close, so close. Vango's turn. Denied! Oh no, is he gonna auto goal? Nope. It's gonna go against the back wall. Oh. That was close, very nice. And then Vango gets the easy goal. Bot. With the bibbidi bop. Bop that shit in. Easy clap. Well, yeah, this is looking like an easy clap right now. He's gonna get the kickoff this time. Nice kickoff by Turtle. Can he finish it? Can he finish it? Yo, with the dribble. Oof. That was nasty. Kind of nasty, Vango. He dribbled that shit on your ass. Oof. Nice shot. What? In the rector? How did I do that? 9? Okay, so what now? Okay, so that's not the same thing. Okay. Ooh, wow. Oh, with the easy goal. Great shot, Turtle. Buen disparo. From the mid. Very nice. Vango with a good kickoff. Going to the other side. Can Turtle recover this? Yes, he can. And he passes it. Beautiful. Easy shot. Let's go, baby. What's the difference with AutoCam and Director? I don't get it. Seems the same to me. Look at that, it looks the same. What do you mean? Quite interesting. Oof! With the demo. Too bad he couldn't get to the other side quickly so he can have an easy goal. Almost. That was beautiful. Beautiful aerial from the ceiling. It's Vango's turn. Denied! Denied again. He's going for it. Can he score? Bro, these guys got some tricks. I need to learn these things. Oh. Oh, that was close. Turtle could recover. Vango decides to go way back with the ball, bringing the back ball to his end. But he's going back. Is he gonna score? Let's go. Beautiful shot. Very nice. Director tracks the players. Okay. I did not know that. Okay. That's good to know. You learn something new every day. Who's got the kickoff this time? Nice, Turtle. Let's go. With the easy goal? He didn't even have to touch that. Just a kickoff goal. Let's go, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful shot by Turtle. Wait, what? Oh, wow. Okay. Another easy goal, but this time for Vango with the kickoff. Very beautiful. Like Turtle with a nice kickoff, but he couldn't recover and get back to it. Vango's got the ball. Is he gonna score? Nope. Denied. Nice. Nice touch. We got to that just on time. Oops. Oops. Mistake by Turtle. Causing him a goal. Another goal against him. Easy clap. No, we don't know yet. Oh, Turtle completely misses this kickoff. For Vango, misses on the other side. He was supposed to score this one easy, but he misses. He's coming back with an aerial. Let's see if he can score. With the little pinch, not hard enough. Oh. Vango with the bump, but not good enough. Turtle can recover. Great pass. Oh. Great pass by Vango. Nice demo, but that causes him to auto goal this. Yep. Beautiful shot nonetheless. Very nice. Good kickoff by Vango. Can he score? Nope. Denied. Come on, Turtle. You got this. Easy goal. Easy. And we're tied again. It's neck and neck. Looking neck and neck. At this point, I don't know which one of you is better. It seems you're both on the same level. Nice kickoff, Vango. Easy goal. Nope. Denied. Light Turtle got the boost. Vango needs to go to the boost, but he recovers. Oh, is this gonna be a goal? A beautiful one? Oh, he passed through, but he didn't get it. Didn't quite get it. Bounced off the edge. Not quite by Turtle either. They both missed their opportunities. Who's gonna get it? Oh, and we're still neck and neck. The time's running out. Is this gonna be the winning goal? Oh, close. That was so close. Nice try, nice try. Vango with the good kickoff. Can he get to it? They're being patient, very patient. These are some great tips. Oh no, with the easy goal, easy clap. Well, this just means you guys are tied. You have to go for another match now to see who's best. It's 1-1 now. Beautiful. Easy clap. Nah, it wasn't easy. You guys were tied. Okay. Best out of 3. Because we're tied. Who's gonna win the next match? Let's find out. When's this shit gonna start? Okay. And we're ready. Wait, what? Is that a bot? Wait, what? Oh. Why couldn't I see the name on top of your car? Ah, okay, I get it. Oh. Great pass to Turtle. Oh, Vango just screwed himself over right there. Great pass to Little Turtle. I keep calling you Little Turtle. Little Turtle. We should play 3v3 after. Okay. Yeah. If we're like 6 people, sure. We can play 3v3. Oh! Bango with the easy goal. Little Turtle couldn't recover. So it's looking neck and neck again. We're tied up 1-1. Who's gonna take this? Everybody went back for the boosts. Nice save by Vango. Turtle with the second try. Denied. And this is his 3rd time. Denied again. Once more. It's Vango's turn to try. Oh, with the flip, but he couldn't pull through. Oh. Uh-oh. Easy go. Nope. Denied. Turtle got so fast back to the ball. Oh, that's beautiful. Very nice. With a little pinch. Too soft with a pinch. Not enough boost to do an aerial, a proper one. He manages to go with the ball through, passes through, but denied by Little Turtle. Light Turtle. My bad, I keep calling you Little Turtle. I like it more like that, Little Turtle. That's what I'm gonna start calling you. I'm gonna call you that forever. Oh. He messed up, but he recovers. Nice try, but denied by Vango. He pinches the ball to pass it to himself. Can he score? Nope, denied. Vango with a little pinch, and he scores. I can't believe he actually got that. Light Turtle had no boost. He could not recover that ball. Great goal. Yeet. Oh, with the easy goal by Vango. Oh no, Little Turtle. You're falling behind by 2 goals now. Time to get back in the game. Asus? What? What do you mean, Space Cowboy? Asus? Asus? With the easy goal, Vango. Vango's the real smurf right here. Nah. At least his car doesn't look like a smurf. Little Turtle falling so much behind. What a separation of 3 goals now. Can he recover? Oh, he misses that. Well, he didn't quite miss it. He just did not block it correctly. Oh, he tried to pinch, but it did not work. Light Turtle just setting himself up right there. Passing it to Vango. Is not looking good for Turtle right now. Wow, okay. Nice shots. Come on, Turtle. I'm rooting for you. With the comeback? Can Turtle come back? Oh, beautiful, beautiful dribble. Vango got ya baited. I think Vango thought he was going to the right side, but he went left instead. Who's gonna get this kickoff? Oh, Vango with the insta goal off the kickoff. Nope. Denied. Needs to go back for the boost and comes back with a beautiful aerial. Oh, close. So close. Denied by Little Turtle. It's Turtles. Oh no, he got blocked. I really believed he could do it. He got denied. Close, so close. Nice try, Little Turtle. He's going to try once more. Nope, he misses the ball. Needs to go back. Vango's gonna try his luck with the aerial. Denied. Wow, you guys make it look so easy, man. But then again, you're playing at a very slow pace. In the real world, you play much faster, don't you? I don't think this is the pace you play in like a real game. Especially in ranked. Everybody plays so much more fast-paced. Very nice, off the wall. Oh, denied. That was beautiful though. Easy goal. Oh no, with the auto goal. Great pass by Vango. Among Us stuff? Ah, okay. Yeah, I don't play that. Little Turtle and Among Us. Oh, so we shouldn't play 3v3 anymore? How many people are we? Yeah. You guys can play 2v2 and I can spectate. I'm liking the watch party. I'm learning so much by looking at you guys play. Can you do the aerials, Andrew? Can you do these types of aerials and stuff like that? Very nice goal by Little Turtle on the 0 count. But that was just not enough to get him in the lead. I guess this dub goes to Vango. Vango with the big dub. Damn, look at these scores. Like 1,000. Holy shit. Damn. Those were good games, guys. Very nice. Very entertaining. I learned a lot. Very nice. We'd love to see it. You can't do the aerials? Ah, too bad. Oh, so someone left. We can do like a 2v2. But the thing is, we cannot go... Wait, there's 5 people here. We cannot do Vango and Turtle on the same team. That's a no-no. Because otherwise it's not going to be fair, you know? So let's do a 2v2 and I'll just spectate. I'll just watch you guys and you guys can play. I gotta go to the bathroom. You guys can start the game. Wait. Start the game. I can spectate and then I'll go to the bathroom. if you guys are up for it. I want to get me some food too because I'm getting quite hungry right now. What the hell is this? I already have this. This is so stupid. A beautiful leaf. Okay. Sure, sure, sure. Okay. Anyways, I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. Oh, the boys had to go? Okay, okay, no problem. Oh, look at this, Mr. Doctor Despacito. Fanga has to do a Destiny 2 raid. Oh, nice, very nice. Okay. Does Venga stream? Vango. I'ma follow you if you stream. Let's see. Let me try to find you. Wait, yeah, okay. If you stream, that would be very good, because I'm gonna watch your gameplay and try to learn from you. That would be very nice. He does? Oh, that's great. What other games does he play? Did he leave already? Well, I don't see any videos on his Twitch. Does he stream on YouTube or something? It's been a while? Okay. You should, like, if you could play this good, you should stream. People deserve to see this. Why didn't you do it? You should totally stream, dude. What about the rest of you guys? Do you guys stream? What other games do you play? Yeah, you should. Why not? People would totally watch. No, you're not garbage. Why would you think that? It's very good. You are good, like Andrew says. So Little Turtle plays Overwatch 2. Okay. I mean, not Overwatch 2. Do you play Overwatch 2? The number 2 of it? You play Fortnite? You're probably a Fortnite sweat. You play Apex Legends? I have so much respect for people who can play Apex Legends. Is that a yes on Fortnite sweat? You being a Fortnite sweat? Andrew's got the zebra game going on. I play Overwatch with Turtle. Okay. Oh, you guys play everything together, huh? So sweet. Sweethearts. What's that zebra supposed to mean anyways? You got nothing else to say? Well, anyways, I want to play, so... Oye, Ricón, ¿estás ahí o no? ¿Me abandonaste? ¿Dónde estás? My bunny. Squashing the beef. What beef? Who has beef? Little Turtle and Vango? Yeah. Andrew lives in Mass? What? What is that supposed to mean? You're here, baby? My bunny! Vango is Puerto Rican? Ooh. That's nice. That's very nice. So he totally understands español. Y también Doctor Despacito porque su nombre es Doctor Despacito. What about you, little turtle? Where are you from? What languages do you speak? Yep, they're exposing you. They're selling you out. What? Max Lewis lives in the center of Bar? Massachusetts? Okay. Alright. Oh, you're a... Oh, that's what mass means. Okay. Okay, okay, I got it. You're a Massey. As in Massey, not Messi, the football player. I lives in Wabinet Road, Bar, Massachusetts. Oh my gosh. Okay, too much information. We do not need all that information. We are not going to visit him anytime soon, okay? So thank you for the information that we did not ask for. Stop exposing each other, please. Gotta go. Have a good stream. Thank you so much, Fango. Thanks for dropping by and showing us some cool moves. Some cool aerials and beating your little turtle. Very nice. Thanks for the games. GG's. Who's Max Lewis? Who knows, man? Yo tampoco no sé. No sé de Max Lewis. No sé quién es. ¿Quién es eso? Okay. Docs moment here. Well, you guys know more than me. I have no idea. Ruben beats his meat in the shower. Oh, I don't doubt that. I'm pretty sure you all beat the meat in the shower, after the shower, before the shower, after playing a match. after playing one game in Rocket League. I'm pretty sure. Y'all seem like the type. Lil Dicky dead. Yeah, all homies. IRL. Oh, that's so cute. That's very good. Very nice. ¿Dónde está Vengo? Vengo is there, right there. You guys are homies in real life? That's so sweet. And you all play together. Very cute. Cuties. So Vengo, Puerto Rican. Do you have a picture? You should join my Discord, man. Do you have Discord? You should join my Discord so I can see your picture. GG, Ruben. Okay, so that's your name. Oh my gosh, too much information. You guys are sharing so much. TMI, too much information. He's hot as fuck. Ooh. If you say that, he must be hot as fuck. He's hot as fuck. He plays very well. What else can you ask from the guy? He beats his meat in the shower. What else do you need? What else can you ask for? He's zaddy. Oh, he's got a beard. Okay. Some more information on Vango right here. Okay, he's Puerto Rican. He's got a beard. He's hot as fuck. He beats meat in the shower. What else? What else can you guys tell us? Oh, you got a Discord? Oh, that's good. Okay. Oh, you really want to do this? All right, I'm gonna add you. I'm gonna add you on Discord. I'm just curious to see who you are, what you look like. I'm pretty sure you don't have a picture. Most people don't have a picture of themselves on Discord because they're trying to hide behind who knows what. My Discord open? Oh, my thing is stuck. His name is Ruben, the Ritzler. Okay. Ruben. Ruben Vera. Very interesting. Oh my gosh, too much information, you guys. Why are you guys doing this to him? How about you talk about yourself? Tell us more about yourselves. Bro, where's my Discord? Okay. He's so fucking sexy. Okay, you guys. You guys are simping over each other. That's crazy. Boys. They would stick their thing in any hole. Wait, let me try to add you. What was your Discord again? Damn it. Oh, I gotta go look for it. Oh, yeah, it's right there. Fango69. I don't believe that. Fango6935. Eso no es correcto, cabrón. That shit doesn't exist. You're just fucking around, huh? Max Lewis is hot. So, wait. His name is Max Lewis. And you're hot? Okay, okay. Okay, buddy. You when you see Ruben? He's fire. Okay, I believe you. I believe you. Look at you guys simping over Ruben. Ruben. Okay, so Andrew's real name is Aiden. He's a gaslighter. Oh, you sent it again? Okay. Okay, I send you the request now. It worked. Ruben, shut up. Yeah, it's without the IX. You just had to highlight that, huh? We get it. Ruben is hot. We get it. And your name is so hot. Ruben. Bueno. I thought you guys had to go. Mira aquí. Oh, you're just a baby. You look so young. Oye, Rubén. ¿Qué tal? And who's the guy behind you? Is that Andrew? You got a baby face, that's right. See ya, bye. Bye, turtle. Young asshole. No, Brandon. Okay, so turtle, his name is Brandon. Andrew's name is Aiden. And Vango's name is Ruben. Ruben. Okay. I found out so much information about you guys today. Thanks for the TMI. Yeah. You're not Aiden? Who's Aiden? Andrew is Andrew. Okay. Okay, you guys. Ah, that's Brandon. Okay. You guys are really buddies in real life. No way. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool and pretty rare. Most people that play online know each other, but they're not friends in real life. Or they are, but they live very far from each other and stuff like that. All you gotta know. Who's a bitch? Andrew? I'm leaving though. Actually, this time have a good stream. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for dropping by. It was fun. I appreciate you guys dropping by and playing some games and showing us what you got. Have a good night, alright? Take it easy. Hey, why don't you guys speak Spanish to each other? Everybody here speaks Spanish, I think. Anyways, I think I'm gonna play a few more games and I'm gonna leave too. ¿Quieres jugar Space Cowboy? Dale. Ok. Estoy lista. Ah, mira tu coche. Look at that. Wait, am I the leader? I'm not, right? Oh yeah, I am. Okay. Bueno, estoy lista. Vamos. I'm ready. Are you? Right? Oh no, I'm not ready. Okay, I'm here. Okay, are we gonna try to do some aerials? Ooh. Why do we have a bot on our team? Okay, now we have a real player. Nice! He came in just in time. Great pass. Beautiful, beautiful. You always ready, baby? Alright, bunny. I'm glad you are. No, get that boost. Oh, that was so close. No! I was faking. You gotta actually learn to be patient and bring the ball to the wall. Balls to the wall. So I can do some fancy aerials like the other guys. Like the other guys. Oh. Oh, that was so close. I almost bumped that out, actually. Look at that. I almost bumped it out. Damn it. Let me go get this boost. Oi! Be patient. Bring the ball to the wall. Great pass. No way. That was a great pass. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I missed. No. Oye. Yo. ¿Qué tú estás haciendo, eh? Bunny. Uy. Muy cerca, eso fue muy cerca. Ay no, ¿qué es eso? Tóxicos. Estos chicos son tóxicos. Ay, Dios mío. I was faking. Esto era una broma. Nice. No problem. I'm going back for the boost over here, and I'm defending. It's a good thing I came back. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Come on. Oh, no. I thought you were there, bunny. You could have scored that for sure if you were there. My bunny. Oi? Bunny! Eso fue muy cerca, bunny. ¿Yo? ¡No! ¡Uy! ¡Qué buena jugada! Nice bump, kids. ¡Voy yo! Eso también fue muy cerca. Ay, no puedo llegar a eso. Lo siento, Bunny, lo siento. ¡Ay! Nice demo, kid. Bro, this kid is toxic. Muy tóxico ese cabrón. No way. He actually got to that before me. Whoopsie. No puedo llegar a eso. Ay, qué cerca. No! Oh my gosh. I actually helped him. My bad. That was my fault. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. You got it, bunny? Oh! Whoopsie! My bad. ¡Ay, no! ¡Bunny! ¡Bunny! ¡Uy! Ay, eso fue muy cerca. No tengo boost. Sí, sí, tengo boost. Pero no tengo mucho. ¡Uy! Ahora sí tengo boost. Pero no puedo llegar a eso. ¡Ay, qué bueno! Buena jugada. Ya lo tengo. Casi falló. No tengo. Dale. Y eso fue bueno. Qué buena jugada. Buen partido. With the dub. Epic bmDUB. Let's go, baby. Okay, lista. On to the next one. Okay. Let's see. Why doesn't this kid ready up? They reap souls. Are you ready, kid? Let's go. Exet, I love that name. Vamos a esperar. Let's just fucking wait for this guy. Let me turn up my music a little bit.
These audio.
Wait. Okay, is that better? Ooh, I like. ¡Ya lo tengo! Okay, voy por ese boost. Ay, no way. Dale. Ay, no, ¿qué es eso? Ay, no. Dale. Dale, chicos. Ey, buen disparo. Dale, chicos. Chicones. Voy por ese balón. Ah. Uy, everybody's faking. Wow. Rao. No. You've been destroyed. Get wrecked, kid. Literally, get wrecked. Oh, that's that Batman car. I love that car. It sounds so good. I love the sound of it. The rev. When you rev that car, it sounds amazing. Ooh, that was so close. Close one, bunny. Oi. No. Oh no. Yes. Okay. Very nice, bunny. You got to that. Yeah. Oh. What a save. I'm gonna get this boost. Of course he would get to that. Damn it, I couldn't slap that in. Slap chop. Ooh, that was so close. Very close. Buen disparo de este cabrón. Pero no fue suficiente. Bueno. Muy bien. Oh yeah. He's like you, trying to get besos. Trying to get besitos de mí. Robar besos. Él quiere robar besos de mí. Oye. ¿Viene? No. Ese chico me roba besos. No. Ay, no. Voy por el bus aquí atrás. Estoy defendiendo. Buen paseo. Ay, no. Ey, ¿qué es eso? Chico tóxico. Ese chico tóxico. Ese chico muy intoxicado. Por ser tóxico así. Ay, no. Bueno, voy atrás. Voy para adelante. Voy atrás. Uy, that was so close. Peina, peina de ren. Muita coisa fofa. No. Whoops. Whoopsie. Oh, that was so close. We have no goals? Come on, man. No. Wow, that was so close. What a save by the bell. What a save. Ok, voy para atrás, voy a defender. Voy por el balón. No. Oh gosh. Baking. No, 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 chicos. Vamos, chicos, dale. No. Dale. Oh, I need boost. Oh, if only I had that boost. That would have been great. Demolition mode on. Whoa. Oh, no freaking way. Well, that was my bad. No, it was my bad. I should have saved that. Bueno. On to the next one. Ok, lista. ¿Dónde está? Ay. No te veo. ¿Dónde estás? You're not in the game. Ah, ok, ok. O cambiaste tu coche. Voy a la derecha. Y ya lo tengo. Shit. No. Oh, I was faking. Faking. What a play, wow. Great pass. Buena jugada, chicos. Muy bien. Oh, pass by the other team. Okay, very nice. Hey, we'll take it. Yes, indeed. You know what? Let's get this in. No. Wow. Nice demo. This kid just saved the ball. What a save. Oh! Damn! That was so close. Oh, esos chicos son tóxicos. He tried to demo me. Oh no. I went for the boost. I'm sorry. Lo siento, lo siento. Ok, voy a concentrar ahorita. Ahora sí, ahora sí. Ahora sí estoy concentrada. Ok, ok, ok. Ajá. Ok. Ay, necesito boost. Motherfucker. Fucking shit. I need boosts. Motherfucker, man. Dale. Ay, no, chicos. Chicas. Uy. Eso fue muy cerca. No. Denied. Fudge. Wow, this kid is hella toxic. No! Go, 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 go! Well, we're playing Potato League compared to those other guys. What a save. Damn it, bro. Get that boost. And go for the ball. Okay, algo. No tengo boost. Ahora sí, ahora sí. Okay, kid. No. No. Damn it. Great pass. What a play. What a play. What a play. Not gonna deny that. That was good. That was good on their part. Wow, kid, why are you so toxic? What a play. GTFO, man. Why are you so toxic? Very nice. I'm sorry, I don't click. I like to watch the replays. Oh my. Word. Es okay, tenemos un minuto más. Sí podemos. Sí se puede. Eso es. Pog champ. I told you. You are the pog champ. Poggers. Mr. Bunny Pog champ. Space Cowboy. Whoopsie. What am I doing? I shouldn't have even gone for that ball. Wow. Wow. Ya lo tengo. No más, no tengo más. Wow. Oh my. Sheesh. Oh, we got Smurfs in the building. I don't know what that was. Oh, good. Okay, creo que mis ojos son muy cansados ahorita. Fucking shit, man. Sí, mis ojos. I'm gonna blame it on my eyes. My eyes are getting tired. Oopsie. No way, man. No fucking way. Tenemos que ganar. Porque así no puedo ir. No voy a ir si no ganamos. Tenemos que ganar. Ay, no. Bueno. Dale uno más. Y voy. ¿Oíste? Dale uno más y voy. Eso es mi último. Wow, Pog. Okay. No, 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 no. What? Okay. Close one. Incoming! Faking! I was faking, but yeah. Teammate didn't get to that. What? There's no fucking way, man. There's no fucking way. Get wrecked, kid. No. No. No fucking way. Ok, tenemos que ganar. pero quiero jugar otro partido y no esto. No quiero jugar eso más. Este. This one. That one. Wait, when do you say este? Fucking tryhards. Can they calm down? Kids. Can these kids go touch grass or something? Wow. Damn. Well, that ain't some BS. I don't know what is. Everybody's faking. Bro. Fuck off with your toxic self. Damn it. I was too busy trying to kill that man. Wow, what a save. Oof, that was so close. No fucking way, man. Oh, that was so close. Damn it, man. Fucking shit. Fudge. Woo! No way. These kids just shoot it. It goes right into the goal. It just aims for the net. Like, it's like they have aimbots. Like, what? The hell? Fudge, man. Fudge! Oh, what? This is so frustrating. So frustrating, man. Come on, get him, Exit. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Great pass. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the one we win? No fucking way! Oh my gosh. Look at that, like aimbot. It just goes right in. The fuck? Fuck arcade. Fuck arcade. Okay, okay, that's it. Nice, nice, very nice. Fuck! I'm starting to get very enojada ahorita. Estoy muy enojada. Mira eso. Fucking aimbot. Go in, please. No fucking shots, man. No fucking shot. Wow. That is some crazy shit. That's some bullshit, actually. Not some crazy shit. That's some bullshit. I can't believe this. Ok, tenemos que ganar porque no puedo ir. No puedo ir si no ganamos. Vamos otra vez. Estoy enojada. Estoy un poco enojada. Yeah! Look at this aimbot shit. Aimbot. What the hell? Fuck off, kid. No way, man. Jesus. Baby Chief. So frustrating. No fucking way, man. Too many of them. There's just too many. No, did it go back? No. No fucking way. That guy is a smurf, bro. This kid's been scoring this whole time. The previous game, the game before that. Only this kid. What the hell? What a doozy. Look at him again. That's some bullshit. This kid's got aimbot. That's some bullshit. I'm reporting this kid. That's some bullshit, man. He's cheating. I really think he's cheating. He's got some shit on. He's got some Mac and Pool shit on. Look at that. No fucking way, bro. There's just no fucking way. Oh my god, bro. It's time to play rough. No way, bro. No fucking way. This is some big bullshit for real. It's that same guy scoring. That's some bullshit, bro. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking smurf. Can't stand people like this, man. Why is he even in our lobby? You know what I mean? Fucking frustrating. Okay, quiero jugar uno más y voy. No con una otra smurf. I don't know if you heard me, but I'm typing it for you. Oh wait, I'm the leader. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I thought you were the leader. This should be an easy clap because these guys are not a team. but we'll see. Oi. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Oh my. How did I miss him? Whoopsie. Why does he want to quit? Because he's trying to get to everybody and he can't get to it. What a sage man. Oh my. And now he's being petty? Bro. I'm reporting your ass. Why are you match grieving? Intentionally idle. Like, he's just staying there and watching. What is he doing? What is this kid doing? If you don't want to play, just quit, you know? Don't be in here and ruin our game. Ya estás haciendo, chico. That's what I'm talking about. Pew, pew. Yes, that's what I want to do to some of these kids. Pew, pew. Especially the Smurfs. They irk me. Yeah. Did I actually knock that in a little bit? I completely missed that. I completely messed up. I can't believe it. Fuck off, kid. You're trash. You are such trash. You're lord and trash. You're like an anal bead. Why do we get these incompetent fools? Why do they even exist? I know that sounds mean, but for real. Why do you exist, kid? Incompetent fool. Fuck off, incompetent bitch. Fucking bitch, man. Why can't they end the night nicely? You're so incompetent, kid. All good, I'm not worried. Everybody gets what they deserve. When it really matters to you, this the same thing is gonna happen to you. That's just how life works. That's just how life works. When you really, really want it, people are gonna fuck you over. Anyways, I'ma just leave it like that. This is just too stupid. Can you get out? No sé qué puedo jugar más, pero vamos a ver. Oh, I can't. Okay, well then. That's how I end the stream. We're gonna end the stream like that. And I'll catch you guys on the next stream, which is probably tomorrow. Today was fun, except for the end, where all these incompetent fools are just miserable and trying to make everybody's else's life miserable. But I'm not gonna let that bother me because life works in such a way that everybody gets what they deserve. So I'm not worried. All in all, it was very much fun today. I hope my mic is sounding good because this is a new mic. I had to adjust a bunch of settings and stuff like that. So anyways, let's see who we can raid. Thanks for the kings, cowboy. Space cowboy. I appreciate it as always. Thank you for the games. I appreciate it. Thank you to Vango for the follow. Thank you to all the boys that made my chat a bit fun today. I appreciate it so much, guys. Let's see, who can we raid? Who's this? Is this the guy with the movement? I think so. I think this is the guy with the movement, right? I'm not sure. Anyways, let's rate him. So I go here. I go to creator dashboard. Besos en tu esos. Gracias. Gracias, papilón. Gracias por los juegos. GG's. How do I raid? I keep asking that every time. Okay, so here. Okay. That's it. Alright, boys. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.